Me too, bye. I said that fast. JB.
We'll just touch it real quick.
You weren't supposed to annoy him.
Is that bull?
No, it's still the first one.
Oh, fuck. See? Hold on. He's got this.
That one?
No. I want to pull his food away from him.
It's gonna go butt again. It's like in butts this time. Is that the first one? No. Oh, she's feeding her snake.
And it's upside down.
Huh? She likes him.
Yeah, his fucking jaw can get way big.
But don't you want to finish the pinkies or the frozen fuzzies off?
We already
They're
did.
done.
Really?
That's all of them. There goes down his throat. Like how he does that?
Yeah, it's
Open your mouth.
Ew, don't touch me.
Jimmy, you're tapping the cage.